morning. Wish you a very great day ahead. Today are going to start with 5 major factors. So not we are discussing all the 5 today. We are discussing the major one. That is your diet. Diet is very important for everyone, and we need to maintain that how we are taking and at what time we are taking and what we are taking. Obviously, so it's not about eating anything at any time. If you have to maintain your health, you need to maintain a good diet. Even though you are veggie or you are non-vegetarian or you are vegan, anything you can eat, but you should maintain your scheduling. So what are the things important we need to maintain in maintaining your diet? First one is your diet, what you are eating. You need to take a mixed meal. It's not about you are only on the junks, so you need to take proper 3 meals along with 3 mid meals as well. Second important thing is about quantity. So you don't have to eat everything in one go. Ideally, you need to take small frequent meals. Third thing we are going to discuss about timings. So it's not about just fasting for whole day and taking everything in one go. You need to maintain perfect timings. You may vary from certain minutes to an hour, but it's not about that you are not having the breakfast and you're just coming down to lunch at 3 or 4. So it would be very wrong in your case. So you need to maintain your diet, timings, quantity, and third one, yes, fasting. So if your body is not allowing you to fast, being in Hindu tradition, don't go for fasting. Perfectly, if you want to go for fast, then don't be empty stomach whole day. Start taking your meals, start taking your fruits, and it's a humble request because nowadays environment is not that much good, so you don't have to skip your meals. And the major problem is coming among the youngsters about the diet is many of us are working in the night shifts, so the whole biological clock got disturbed or inverse. So whatever we are eating in the day, we are sleeping the whole day and we are fine, running back in the evening again for the timings that yes, we need to wake up whole night. So our whole biological clock got disturbed. So I'm not saying you to just miss your job, keep working hard, but yes, with that also try to maintain your diet and the proper timings of your diet, because that is the basic need of your body to sustain to make you sustain in your work, right? If you are healthy, you are able to work more efficiently in your working place. Third thing is about any disease condition or stressful condition. So it could be like stress may be because of your any physical health, or stress might be because of any emotional trouble you are facing with. So whatever may be the situation, there might be the reason first thing which our got affected is our diet. गुस्सा आ गया, खाना नहीं खाया, किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया, बुरा लग गया, खाना नहीं खाया, किसी की कोई चीज़ बुरी लग गई, खाना नहीं खाया, पता चला कोई बीमार हो गया, खाना नहीं खाया. अरे बाबा, अगर आप if you want to get out of that situation, you need to eat something. Until unless you can't eat, how you will fight with the situations? So whether it is a disease condition, whether it is a stressful condition, whatsoever may be the situation, don't skip your meals. So the basic funda is that about eat healthy, eat at time, eat in a proper quantity. Those friends who are taking junks, they had a query whether you should skip junk. So for you there's something good. I'll not say to just skip all the junks. You can take it, you can have it, you can relish the things whatever you love, but in a very, very less way. So if you are having it daily, come down to once in a week. If you are having weekly, come down to once in 15 days. Improve your taste buds, take everything and be happy. Take everything good. So maintain your diet and stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. Take care. See you soon.